Good morning, friends. Welcome in the class of Production Operation Management. Today we are going to discuss about the location decision. Location, as the name indicate, the decision we need to take is where to establish a plant or a factory. The location decision is of strategic importance. These decisions are very crucial. These decisions impact the cost of operations as well as the effectiveness of the operations. Now, you may take an example of Amazon. They want to establish a warehouse in Punjab. They need to decide whether they want to establish a warehouse at Ludhiana or at Amritsar or at Patiala. All these three different locations will impact their cost of operations or their as well as the effectiveness of the organization. So whenever an organization need to take a decision with regard to location, there are few questions our organization need to answer. The question number one is whether they want to establish within country or they want to establish outside country. For example, we may take the example of the Nike or let's say Apple. They want to establish a new unit. So whether it's India is a suitable position or they want to establish their plant at Vietnam or they want to establish at China or at some other country. So this is the decision number one for organization need to take is whether they want to establish a plant in which country, whether within the country or outside the country. If they want to establish outside the country, that is called as a global location. There are lot many challenges in the global location, the taxes, the regulations of that very country. All these are the factors which are need to be considered in global location. Similarly, the cultural differences, the language barriers, economic differences between the two countries, etc. are the few considerations which our organization need to consider while looking for a global location. Okay, let's say Maruti wants to establish a new plant, or we may take the example of the Kia Motors. There is a huge demand of their cars. They want to establish a new plant. They decided they want to establish a plant within a country, India. So this is question number one, whether they want to establish outside the country or within the country. They decided we want to establish within the country. Within country, which region? Whether they want to establish a plant in Maharashtra or it is in Madhya Pradesh or it is in Punjab or it is in Himachal Pradesh or it goes to the Tamil Nadu. So the second decision after deciding a country, whether within country or outside country, they need to decide a region where they want to establish a plant. After deciding, again, there are a lot many factors. Once we are looking for the region related factors are basically we may talk about the availability of the raw material. So is a major concern. So whenever we talk about the region related factors, so the factors like availability of raw material, availability of labor, nearness to the market, etc. are the few considerations which our organization need to consider while deciding the region where they want to establish their plant. After deciding the region, the next is a community where they want to. Okay, they decided they want to establish their plant in Punjab. Now in Punjab, is it a Ludhiana or is it a, let's say, a Bohor or any other semi-rural area, rural area or a urban area, the exact community where they want, our organization want to establish a plant. So the third consideration is a community where they want to establish their plant. Again, while deciding the community, we need to pay attention towards the pollution norms, the availability of various civil amenities, these are the few factors, the sports ground, the medical facility, etc., the education facility, etc., are the social welfare association or the social welfare facilities, etc., are the few factors which need to be considered by an organization under the community related factors. And similarly, while selecting a community or a region, the taxes again play a very important role. We might see there is a lot many companies which have previously they established their plant to Himachal and specifically to a Baddi. The reason was there was a tax holidays. Similarly, lot many organizations have nowadays moved to Northeast. Again, there was a benefit. The reason behind the same was the tax benefits which was given by the respective states also. So region as well as community, again, what is the acceptance or the opinion of the public toward that very unit also. So these are the few factors which need to be considered for an organization. Similarly, there is a first stage, an organization need to decide whether within country or outside country. After deciding within country or outside country, let's say within country, they need to decide which region. After deciding which region, there is a community, and after deciding a community, there is a exact site. So there are certain factors which are related with the site also, like the quality of soil, the environmental conditions, etc. are some factors which are related with the site. So how an organization can take a decision that where they want to establish a plant. Okay, we may take a other example. Somebody wants to establish a canteen. So there are either a canteen. So he has a two option: one, to establish a canteen at LPU, or to establish a canteen at DAV University, Jalandhar, or we may say Chandigarh University. So out of these three locations, which location, if you want to establish a canteen, out of these three locations, where you want to establish a location, how you will take this decision. Similarly, we may take an example. Somebody wants to establish a retail outlet. He wants to establish in Jalandhar. He decided, I want to establish within country, that is India, and then it is within Punjab. He picked up a location, city also, which is the Jalandhar. Now he has a three location. So location number one is a Model Town market. Location number two is a main market, which is a Jyoti Chowk. So out of these two locations, he need to decide where to establish a plant. So a decision once taken cannot be reversed easily. It will cost very heavily if they want to change the decision. And decision once taken will impact the long-term efficiency as well as effectiveness as well as the costing part. So these decisions are very important. The question is how this decision could be taken. There are various methods for taking these decisions. Generally, we go for cost volume profit analysis, or cost volume profit benefit analysis. This is one. Second is a factor rating method. Third is a transportation model, and fourth is a center of gravity model. So these are the four models which are generally being used for deciding a location decision. If we talk about the first, what is cost volume profit analysis method. So cost volume profit analysis method, if let's say what we will do, we will calculate the cost as well as profit at different level of the outputs. So let's say you want to establish a canteen at either at a LPU or at DAV University or at Chandigarh University. So all these locations will differ in terms of the rental, as well as they will differ in terms of the might be the variable cost as well as the fixed cost and the output also, the volume also. So what we will do, we will prepare a cost volume profit analysis, or you already have gone through the break-even analysis. We will prepare a break-even chart for all these different locations. We will calculate the margin of safety for all these different locations. Our location where the margin of safety is highest will be the best location under this kind of a situation. The second method is called as a factor rating method. So we may pick up certain factor which we might think is a crucial. For example, if I will take the second example, establishing a retail organization at a retail shop, whether we want to establish it at Model Town market Jalandhar or at a Jyoti Chowk. So we may pick up certain factors, let the factors like the population, the propensity to spend, etc. We may decide certain factor. We will supposed to rate different locations on these factors, and then finally we will calculate the total score, and a location or a site which is having a highest weighted average score is a best location. We may take the example of you want to establish a franchises for Domino's. You have decided three locations. One is Amritsar, second is Chandigarh, third is a Ludhiana. You may decide certain factors like the population of the city. Second is a propensity to spend, how much the people are like to spend. Third is a percentage of the educated or literate population. So you may decide three factors. You may rate these three locations on these factors, and then you will calculate the score for each of the location. The location which is having the highest score will be decided as the best location. Third method is called as a transportation method. Here the focus will be on the transportation cost. So the transportation method, is again you will go through this as a full-fledged chapter under your subject name as a operation research also. But this is a technique where you have a plant at a different locations, or you have a different locations, you need to pick up a one location. So what you will do, you will calculate what will be the cost of transportation from the different locations to the different market. So you will pick up a location where the total cost of transportation is minimum. The last and the fourth one is called as a center of gravity method. So under center of gravity method, we will draw a map. We will draw a map. Under map, all the locations are to be mapped, and then center of gravity is to be computed. A location which is nearer to the center of gravity will be selected as the best location. So these are the four methods with the help of which we can take the location decision. Thank you very much.